So in our industry, technology is constantly changing. There are new machines, new technologies, new ways of doing things. One of the things that sets us apart is the reinvestment that we get from Western Protective Solutions in those new technologies. We have a 6 kilowatt fiber laser that complete with a tower that can run all sorts of different parts and lights out automation. We have a new robot welder coming online soon that will be capable of welding and automation, which we're very excited about. We have a tube bender that is capable of forming all sorts of different tubes to all sorts of different shapes and sizes that we use in the commercial and healthcare application industries. We have a number of different capabilities in our machine shop with our mills and our lathes. We have our press brakes, which are also able to form parts to all sorts of different shapes and sizes. We shine with our capabilities in our machines, but we drive that success with our people. And the philosophy of investing in people, investing in teams, coming together. I've seen a lot of really interesting, good projects that customers come to us with, not always knowing exactly what they want or how it needs to be manufactured, and they rely on our experience and our expertise in bringing that to market and showing them what's possible. By coming together as a group, by coming together with the different departments in our different respective fields, we're able to leverage solutions and drive forward customer success by doing that, and that's what sets us apart. One of the big strengths that we have, as opposed to other shops, is that we are nimble and flexible to interact with our customers face to face, where when they come to us with an issue or a problem or an idea, a lot of times customers need answers or solutions as quickly as possible. Not all shops are able to provide that. We have customers coming in all the time, calling and making changes, having updates, generating questions and looking for solutions for tweaks to their products. That sort of face-to-face time, when they come up with an issue, we're either going to get together with the team and find a solution right then and there, and we're going to keep working on it until we get a solution that is going to work for the customer. That sort of flexibility isn't on all shops, but it is here at WDF, and it's something that we leverage on a constant basis to really drive our customer success. We service a broad range of customers across the industry. We have commercial and healthcare and military applications. When they come to us with issues or questions, we generate solutions for them by getting together as a team and brainstorming what we can do that will serve the customer as effectively as possible. Our strength is utilizing our people with the technology and the capabilities that we have to drive customer growth and success, and leveraging that to build really strong relationships that will last for years to come. Check out the website to learn more. We're looking forward to working with you.